Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do manual product research for Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly coaching calls. And it's also a good place for Amazon sellers like you to network with other sellers. So with that said, here is the video for today. And this is how you guys do manual product research for Amazon FBA business, right? So first step is for you guys to open up an Amazon listing of a product that you've sold in the past, right? So, for example, this product is a product that I've sold in the past, and then from here I use Seller Imp. So I would go to Seller Imp, and then I would go to offers right there, and then I would click on all offers right there, and then from here I would pick a store. So store meaning seller. So pick a seller with I want to say like 100 or less ratings, and that's because if someone has 100 or less ratings, this seller is most likely doing online arbitrage or retail arbitrage, which is the model that we're doing, right? So, for example, this one, I would click on this seller storefront. So now this is open, right? The seller storefront. So now what I would do is I would go and look up these other sellers' products, and then I would do a reverse search on every single product. So these are Nikes, right there. So this seller, as you guys can see, oh, I'll move myself. So this seller, right, obviously likes selling Nikes. So I would start with this product right there, and then from here I would open up the Amazon seller, not seller, but Amazon product page. And then from here, I would open up the Google shopping page, and I would open them up side by side. And then what I like to do to keep this process, hold on a second, simple, is I usually go to Seller Amp. Where's my Seller Amp? It disappeared. Sorry guys, let me, right there. So open up my Seller Amp, right? And then under max cost, you guys are gonna see a number, right there. So for this example, the max cost is $26.58. So from here, I would go to Google Shopping and I would type it here under price. So maximum price is $26.58, right? 58. Then apply. Let's see, I don't see it. And the reason why I did that is because I want to find the exact same product with a maximum cost of $26.58, because at this price, right, it's going to give me a 20% ROI, which is my minimum ROI for my product. So now I narrowed down the search. It's just easier to find this exact product when the search is narrowed down, right? So I think it's this one. This one's from Poshmark though. Let's see. So Nike Brasilia extra small. Small duffel bag. So you see it here in Poshmark. So yeah, let's just open it up. Yeah, Poshmark is usually, no, this is not it. That's not it. Let's see, this one is, I think, it, but then again, this one is $27.99. I mean, pretty close, $27.99. So at $27.99, it's gonna give me a 13% ROI. Let's see, shipping fee of $5, so it's not gonna work, guys. So yeah, we found the exact same product, right? Or maybe not. No, it's not the same product. I'm sorry. So yeah, for this one, I would just skip it because I'm having a hard time finding it. And I'm not going to waste a lot of time looking for one product. So I would skip that one and then this one. So I opened up another product, right? So again, you click your Amazon link and your Google Shopping link right there. Open up this product. And then again, I would narrow down the search. So my maximum cost is $27.02. See, $27.02. So again, you go to Google Shopping, go to price, and then the maximum you put your maximum price of $27.02. Apply it. It narrows down the search, right? Yeah, I think it's this one, but it's used. Yeah, it's not going to work. So again, we move on to the next one. So I would pick a different product. I'll try this one right here. It's a different brand. So let's try this one. So the maximum cost for this one is $8.36. Oh, what happened there? So again, I would go to price and then put maximum cost of $8.36. Apply. Yeah, this one is not working out either. So when one storefront is not working out for you guys, I would switch over to another one because, just to save yourself some time, right? So I would open up this one. Oh, that's the one that I picked earlier. So let's try this guy or this seller. Okay. And then from here, you do the same thing, right? You go through the person's products, and then you search. You do like a reverse search. Right there. So I see it here, but I see it pre-owned though. This one is a PS5. So you can narrow it down, right? So right here, system is PS5. Narrow it down right there. And then from there, maximum cost is $9.74. So again, narrow it down with the price. So price is $9.74. And then from there, you can't really see the product anymore. This one is used, so it's not going to work. But I hope you guys got the memo on how to look for products using this strategy called manual product research. And again, if you guys enjoyed the video, I'm inviting you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group. I'm going to put the link in my description below. And that way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also learn from other sellers. And with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.